In this video, I will explain how to construct a Pareto chart in SPSS. For that, I'll use this data, this customer complaints regarding the hotel services, the noise issues, slow service, room cleanliness, food quality, staff attitude, billing errors, Wi-Fi problems, and SE issues. Then also here the frequencies. So firstly, I copy this data to the SPSS worksheet. The data view is with variable names. I think it is not necessary to decimal places. Before the creating Pareto chart, we should weight these complaints by their frequencies. For that, we can use weight cases. In SPSS, you can see the data, the weight cases here, data, the last of the weight cases. Then we can weight cases by their frequencies, weight cases by frequencies, then click OK. Now you can get the Pareto chart. The command is here, the analysis and quality control, the Pareto chart. Then you can select the simple one. Then the category X is here the customer complaints. Let's display the cumulative line also. Then click OK. You can see the Pareto chart. The customer complaint, slow service, room cleans, noise issues, there complaints here. It's also the cumulative line. This Pareto chart we indicate almost 80% of the problems arise due to these three questions: slow service, room cleanliness, noise issues. When prioritize these issues, then hotel can enhance their customer satisfaction. Okay, that is the way of the constructing Pareto chart in SPSS. If you're satisfied with my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.